believe it's fine.
So we are going to do the rest, mainly this section. So I think this both of them belong together, but the div's gonna be separate. So I'm not gonna, but still I'm going to make this a separate section. So like same mind mapping thing. This will be another section. We call this services. And then we can have another section, which is this one. This one. So this one, creative plans. If this is our services, this one can be, we'll think about it later, no problem. So this is another section. So we're going to try to finish these two sections at least by today. Okay. If you can do this two section, you know how to build the HTML and style it, you can actually do the rest, most of them. Like this one is easy. Maybe some part like this, yes, I have to show you. So let's do this. So let's open the code. We have done these in the previous session. And hero back web p, global CSS, right, text. So in the index.html, at the end, we have this hero section. We're gonna end this section, and also we're gonna come below the header because we don't need that background. Okay. So here we're going to say section, and we're going to name. So what we can name this? Creative plan and design, talented people,
Planning, maybe something.
planning. Okay, as you wish. No worries, no problem if you name it planning. Okay. So class, we can say planning. Okay. We can say planning. And then there's going to be a container, right? So it's gonna be planning underscore container. You know why container? Do you know why container?
Because we usually do that.
Yeah, we do it if we need to align things like this and put it in the center, decrease the width, no, things like that. Don't worry, this is something different. This is not part of the website, okay? This is an extension. So planning container, and then we are going to say what? There's going to be 3 divs, okay? Each of the divs is going to have images, and then a h1 title and a p tag maybe, or this both of them can be p tag. We will change the text anyways. So let's do this. So div, let's create the first div, and then I will just copy and paste it. So div dot planning. So if there is items like this which are similar, look similar, I call this item. Okay. So item and planning item, and the planning item is going to have an image. There, right? It's gonna have an image, and it's going to have 2 p tags. So p plus p. Don't worry about the shortcuts. Um, so it's just like a few kind of shortcuts we have with the VS Code. Okay, like if you say div into p, sorry. So let me show you some shortcuts. Div into 2. So how many divs is going to be? 2 divs, like this. Okay, and then if I say div dot some class name, I've actually shown you this, but I'm going to show you again. Class name, okay? But if you can also do this, class name into 2, and then again 2 divs with the same class name. Into means multiply. But then also, let's say we want to create a menu, okay? So inside a menu tag, there's going to be a UL tag. And inside the UL tag, there's going to be, you don't have to memorize this or remember this. If you can remember, good. If you can't remember, you can type. It's not a big deal, but still. And there's going to be 3 LIs, okay? And inside each of them, 3 LIs, and inside each of them, there's going to be a tag. I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, this worked. See, so inside menu tag, there will be UL tag. Inside the UL tag, there will be LI tag. Inside LI tag will be a tag. This is how a menu, typical menu looks like. So instead of writing this, you can just in one line, you can do this if you want. So image p tag, and if this was inside, so inside menu tag, there is a UL tag. Inside, if you want, we write like this, right? But like this. But if you want to just do side by side, image tag plus p tag plus, or as we did, like h1 tag, below h1 tag, there will be h2 tag, below h2 tag, there will be a button tag. And here you go. So these are some shortcuts that's for your increasing your productivity. So source is going to be what?
Yeah, we
Let's
have to take the picture from.
tools. So this one, like this, right? Outlined. It's called outlined, I guess. It's the first one we have down. All right. Okay. Tools.png. Engineer.png. So we have this. Now quickly, let's go in here, and then let's add this. So image sources slash assets slash first one is architecture. Then P is what? P is create, plan, and design. Create, planning, and design, creative plan and design. And then there are various, this one, okay. And then talented peoples. So I'm going to now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one and press Shift Alt down, another one, and another time down. So 2 times I copied it, just below. Shift Alt down. And creative plans and creative plan design, instead I'm going to say talented people. And then here I'm going to say there are many variations of Lorem Ipsum has come in here as well. So modern tools. And then, oh, same thing. Why I'm copying and pasting, it's the same thing. Okay, save it. And all right. So now we have to style it. Right.